December 2025. A big shock hits NASCAR. A money expert in a crowded court says teams lost huge money for years. He says NASCAR controlled the tracks, the teams, and even the cars. Now, a judge must decide what happens next. This fight could change everything in racing. Stay watching, because what comes next may surprise every fan watching this sport today. The trial against NASCAR is led by 2311 Racing and Front Row Motorsports. They say NASCAR made rules that trapped teams. They say NASCAR stopped teams from making fair money and stopped them from choosing where to race. During a short break, Michael Jordan talked. He said his team will win. He said he is 100% sure. He said he tried to settle before, but NASCAR did not agree. I would have settled if I thought a settlement was worthwhile. Economist Edward Snyder testified that NASCAR should pay $215.8 million to 2311 Racing and $148.9 million to Front Row. That is $364.7 million total. He said, the two teams suing NASCAR are asking for about $365 million in combined damages from the series for alleged anti-competitive conduct. He also disputed that NASCAR would go bankrupt if forced to pay an extra $300 million per year to teams. Snyder said his math looks at team losses from 2021 to 2024. He said NASCAR only gives teams 25% of racing money. He compared this to other sports, where teams get around 45%. He said teams are losing too much money. Snyder said NASCAR controls the tracks, the teams, and the cars. He said, teams don't have anywhere else to sell their services. He said teams cannot race their cars anywhere else. The fight is also about charter deals in 2024. Teams said the deal was a take-it-or-leave-it plan. They said they signed with a gun to their head. NASCAR gave teams a 112-page contract and a very short time to sign it. Only 13 out of 15 teams signed. 2311 Racing and Front Row said no. Because they said no, they lost safe race spots. They also lost steady money. They had to race as open teams in 2025. That meant they had to fight hard just to get into races. NASCAR lawyers say Snyder is wrong. They say the other sports are not the same. They plan to bring their own experts to fight the money numbers. The trial judge is Kenneth Bell. He said the trial is taking too long. A report said he was particularly bothered by objections he received at 2:55 a.m. Monday and then 6:50 a.m. before the morning session. He made longer court hours. But many more people still need to talk. Important people are still waiting to speak. One is team owner Richard Childress. Reports say he may even make his own case because of things found in NASCAR emails. The stakes are huge. If the court agrees with Snyder, NASCAR might have to pay hundreds of millions of dollars. The result could change how racing money works. It could change who gets power in the sport. More big news is coming in this trial. Fans watch closely. Teams wait to see what happens next. Like this video for more NASCAR news. Subscribe so you never miss an update. Share and comment your thoughts below.